Hey, have you started real estate lately within the last few years, just like myself, and has come to the point where you are not having any business because of the market shift lately? Well, stay tuned in this video. I'm going to share some intimate things that happened to me this week and some tough decisions I had to make. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? Ben, your agent with EXP Realty, Aguilar Realty Group. In this video, I am going to share you right now some humbling things that happened. So I had to make some decisions this week. This week, unfortunately, as my real estate came to a halt in business, I had to make the decision to go back to my last job that I was hired at. Luckily, they took me as a part-time worker, but you know what's good is that I'm not going to be stressing out financially. And I'm going to continue doing real estate, and I'm going to keep going, and no matter what, not going to quit. So, have you been in the business for so long where your business has stopped? I want to share you some things that I learned today from my mastermind. Number one thing, you got to be part of a team that grows, that gives, that is always constantly finding new innovative ways, not to be like the rest of other real estate agents or teams out there. Number two, collaboration is key. Number three, you got to use language in your marketing ideas, and in all your marketing you got to use different types of languages. So for example, a CMA is a certified marketing analysis. Comparable marketing analysis. You can use something as, recession proof report. I don't know, something. You got to be different and use different languages, right? And then the third thing I've learned that was really key is learning how the lead funnel works. So I've never learned this before. So yes, we know that top of funnel, middle funnel, and bottom funnel, right? The higher is colder leads, the bottom is your very warm leads. So Facebook leads are typically Facebook, TikTok, Instagram leads are from the top. Middle, you're gonna get your paid per click leads, your Google leads, and then the bottom ones are the best, where they're your circle of influence, your referrals, right? So when you know your lead funnel, it's gonna help you determine how much effort and time you want to spend in those those ads that you're spending on. And the fourth thing I learned is that you're not alone. If you have to stop doing your, you have to stop real estate part-time like me to get a job, you're not alone. You know how many agents fail their first 2 years in business because they don't take the time to make some extra money? Don't be that statistic. Although you're working part-time, it doesn't mean you're not going to make it in real estate. And the last thing is that, I've been super grateful for just the amount of energy that I have given to real estate, and I don't regret anything. So I just thank you for every single one of you watching my videos, been through my journeys. Something I want to ask you as the audience that watch my videos every day, every week: should I continue my journey like this, and would you guys continue to support me with this journey videos? Or should I do more evergreen content like the one you saw last week about my city in La Puente? So something I want to continue to do is to highlight my community and areas in my communities. I'm gonna throw one more bonus in there to win in this market from our mastermind. You got to do events. No matter what you think, events are key to building more relationships. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to my channel, like, and hit the notification bell. If you have referrals, greatly appreciate it. My contact information is in the description. If anything, thank you so much for following me on my journey, and see you on the next video. Take care now.